let's go. Next, Spirit.
For 50 years, the 3rd Infantry Spirit Division has championed peace, security, and development in Western and Central Visayas, standing as the people's dauntless protector and committed partner in establishing and sustaining a state of stable internal peace and security in the region.
Your army is the protector. We will always be here. We will continue to work with our local government units, with other stakeholders in order to preserve yung pinaghirapan nating lahat.
So, na-recruit ako tungod kay naging dikit gid ako sa organisasyon ko sa diin. Dito ko namulat, dito ko nahibalaan kung ano ang CPP-NPA. Tudlo man sa akon nga kini ang problema sa atong lungsod. Ang tatlo ka ismo ko sa diin, ang imperialismo, feudalismo, burokrata, kapitalismo.
The Spearhead Troopers have relentlessly fought against terrorist groups to pave the way for peace and progress to prosper the Visayan region by employing joint and combined arms operations in the conduct of focused military operations, complemented by responsive intelligence and civil military operations.
Ang military at saka yung civilian government, which is the LGU, must go hand in hand. Magtutulungan ito at dapat ito pag-usapan lahat kung anong nararapat gawin. At ako'y naniniwala at the end of the day na walang imposible.
The issue of poverty was always the reason cited by the CEG. Precisely, the civilian government is open now to help them, but they have to lay down their arms.
With effective leadership and high operational readiness, the efforts of the Spearhead Troopers have resulted in a series of decisive and major engagements that led to the neutralization of several key leaders and members of the communist terrorist group, many of whom have opted to abandon their hopeless bloody armed struggle and return to the government fold.
Sa Takayan, Tapas Kapis. Dito ko nakita na ang kabataan mismo, ginagawa sa NPA ang ilang ang tuturo. Tungkol nga kung wala na utayan sa tropa, at nabalik sa pamilya, wala ito na ba na mga paminaglos na napatay na siya galit.
With the 3rd ID scoring victory after victory, enhancing the security and socio-economic situation in Western and Central Visayas has been made possible.
Maganda ang nagiging performance niyo. Maliwanag na tama ang ating ginagawa, tama ang ating mga strategy, tama ang ating pag-apply ng NTF-ELCAC. Ngunit patuloy pa rin ang military operations. Antay ko ang imbitasyon ninyo makabalik dito sa 3ID para ideklara ang area na ito insurgent-free. Antayin ko yan. But go ahead and keep up the good work. Keep working. We will get there in the end. Well done to all of you. Congratulations.
To date, the Team Spirit has dismantled 8 out of 9 CTG guerrilla fronts, enabling the local government units to declare a state of stable internal peace and security in 7 out of 10 provinces in their area of responsibility. Indeed, The Spearhead Troopers inspire hope and unity in the people while striking fear right at the hearts of the terrorists. Despite these, the Spearhead Troopers are not resting on their laurels, continuing their tradition of excellence as genuine na mga tagapanguna, leading cutting-edge warriors who remain relentless in the fight to win the peace for the people of Western and Central Visayas. As valiant and vigilant as ever, the Spearhead Troopers remain matatag para sa bagong Pilipinas.